Hi friends, welcome to Simplify Maths. Today we are going to learn Exponents and Powers, Chapter 13, Exercise 13.2 for Class 7 NCERT. First question, using laws of exponents, simplify and write the answer in exponential form. See, I have given all the exponential formulas in Exponents and Powers, Chapter 13 introduction video. You can go and check each and every formulas there. So this one. What is the formula we are using there? See here, a power m into a power n. If the bases are equal, we can add the powers m power n. Here also 3 is the base in all the products, 3 products. Okay, so 3 power, we can add the powers 2 plus 4 plus 8. This is equal to 3 power 14 is the answer. If the bases are equal, if the bases are common, we can add the powers. This is the one of the formula. Next, second subdivision, 6 power 15 divided by 6 power 10. Here also, a power m divided by a power n. If in the product, we are adding the powers, right? In the division, we are going to subtract the power m minus n, a power m minus n, provided m must be greater than or equal to n. Here what we need to do? Bases are equal. 6 is the base in the numerator and the denominator. So the answer is 6 power 15 minus 10. That means 6 power 5 is the answer for this question. So this is another important formula. Third question, a cube and a power 2. So bases are equal means we can add the powers. A power 3 plus 2. This is a power 5. Now fourth question. See, 7 is the base, right? So 7 power x plus 2 or 7 power 2 plus x, whatever, we can write like this also. If the bases are equal, we can add the powers, that's all. Now, this is power of power, that means a power m, the whole power n. If a number exists like this, just multiply the powers, m into n, a power mn. So what this will give us? 2 into 3. Divided by 5 cube, right? This is another important formula. This gives us 5 power 6 divided by 5 power 3. Now we are going to use this division formula of exponent, a power m by a power n. If the bases are equal, we can subtract the powers. So how to subtract? 5 power 6 minus 3. This gives us 5 cube. So using this formula, we can easily simplify all these numbers. Now see here, it is different here. Bases are different, but the powers are equal. There is a formula for this also. A power m into b power m. If you see powers are equal and the bases are different means just multiply the base and give the same power, that's all. That means AB the whole power m. Here powers are equal, so we can multiply the base. 2 into 5 the whole power 5. So this gives us 10 power 5 is the answer. So this is another formula. This is another formula. Now, seventh. Here also bases are different. AB the whole power 4. We can have the single power. We are just multiplying the base and have the single power. This is again power of power. 3 power 4 into 3. Right? 4 into 3. We are using this formula. A power mn equal to a power m into n. That's all. Power of power. 3 power 12 is the answer here. Now, ninth question. How to do this? See, in a single question, we are using division and product also. How to do this? Bases are equal, powers are different. Okay, if it is in division, if bases are equal and powers are different, means what we need to do? We need to subtract the powers. Numerator power minus denominator power into 2 cube. This is equal to 2 power 5 into 2 cube. If the bases are equal, what we need to do? We need to add the powers. So if we add the powers, this will give you 2 power 8. 5 plus 3 is 8. So 2 power 8 is the answer. Second question, simplify and express each of the following in exponential form. We are going to simplify using powers only. Okay, so 2 cube into 3 power 4. This 4 can be written as 2 square, right? 2 into 2 is 4. Now 3 into this 32 can be written as in exponential form 2 power 5. 5 times 2 is 32. Now what we are going to do is 3 power 4 have this, and we can add the powers, right? See, base is equal, bases are equal, so we can add the powers. 3 into 2 power 5. This gives us 3 power 4 by 3 into 2 power 5. Here also 2 power 5. So this will get cancelled each other. Both are equal. Now this is 3 power 4. This is 3 power 1, right? So 3 power 4 minus 1. Bases are equal in division, but powers are different, means we need to subtract the powers. So 3 power 3 is the answer here. Next question. Second subdivision. How to do this? See, power of power. Power of power means 5 power 2 into 3. Just to multiply. Power of, if you see power of power anywhere, just to multiply. 2 into 3 is 6 into 5 power 4. Whole divided by, this is whole thing, divided by 5 power 7. Now bases are equal in the numerator. So just multiply. In multiplication we need to add the powers. This is 5 power 7. 5 power 10 in the numerator, 5 power 7 in the denominator. Bases are equal in the division. So what we need to do? We need to subtract the powers. If you subtract, 5 cube is the answer for this question. Third subdivision, 25 power 4. 25 power 4 divided by 5 cube. So in exponents always get into the prime factorization form. 25 means 25 can be written as 5 square. The whole power 4, right? This 25. See, 25 power 4. This can be written as 5 square, the whole power 4. Divided by 5 cube. This is nothing but 5 power 8 divided 2 into 4. Just multiply the power of power. 5 cube. In division, what we need to do? We can subtract the powers from numerator power to denominator. So this will give you 5 power 5. Correct? This is the answer. Now we are going to simplify this. 3 into 7 square into 11 power 8. Just to see the numbers in exponential form, you can make the numbers same as that of the numerator or denominator, whatever, same number. We can split the numbers and have it in exponential form. This 21 can be written as 3 into 7 into 11 cube, right? This 3 and 3 will go. 7 square by 7. That means once, see. Here this is 2, power is 2, minus 1 into 11, 11 power 8, 11 power 3. So 8 minus 3. This is 7 into 11 power 5. So this is the answer. Fifth subdivision, 3 power 7. See, here also multiplication. In the multiplication, if the bases are equal, we can add the powers. So this is 3 power 7 by 3 power 7. So what we need to do? These are all equal. Directly we can cancel. Answer is 1. Or if you want to give it in the exponential form, 3 power 7 minus 7. This is 3 power 0. Anything power 0, any number power 0 is, value is always 1. You can give it in the exponential form also. See here. Any number, any integer, any number power 0 is always 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the value here is 3. Seventh question. Here also. Any number power 0 is 1. 1 into here we have added because addition given. Here multiplication. 2 power 0 is 1. 3 power 0 is 1. 4 power 0 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1. 1 is the answer. Here 3 power 0 is 1. 2 power 0 value is 1. Into 5 power 0 value is also 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 into 1, which is equal to 2. 2 is the answer. Now we are going to simplify this ninth question. 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 4 we can give us 2 square, the whole cube. See, instead of 4 I am giving 2 square. So this cube remains same into a cube. This is equal to 2 power 8 into a power 5 divided by 2 power 6 into a cube. Just solve for 2 exponent and a exponent separately. Division, same base. So we can subtract the powers. Division for a and a, same base. We can subtract the powers. What is the value? 2 power 2 into a power 2. 2 square, a square, which is equal to 2a the whole square. Formula is there, no? If the bases are different, powers are equal, we can have the base as a product and have the same power. Now this one. This is easy. A power, bases are equal, powers are different in division means we can subtract the power into a power 8. This is a square into a power 8. In product, if the bases are equal, we can add the powers 2 plus 8. This gives us a power 10. Easy, right? All the exponents things are very easy. 11th question. See, it is very easy. 4 power 5, 4 power 5 gets cancelled each other. A power 8, a power 5. In division, bases are equal. We can subtract the powers. B in division. So we can subtract the powers. Numerator power minus denominator power. That's all. A cube into B. That means a cube B is the answer. This one. 2 cube into 2 the whole square. First finish it in the bracket. So this is, here the bases are equal. 2 power 3 plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 2 power 4 the whole square. This gives us power of power. So multiply the powers. That's all. 2 power 8. Third question. Say true or false and justify your answer. See, 10 into 10 power 11. If the bases are equal, we can add the powers, right? This is equal to 10 power 12 only. So it is not equal to 100 power 11. 10 power 1 plus 11 is 10 power 12. But in the answer they have given it as 100 power 11. It is not 100 power 11. 10 power 12 means how many hundreds we will have? Per each 2 we are getting 100, right? See, 10 power 2. 100 power 6. Again it is not equal to power 11. So this is false. Now 2 cube greater than 5 square. Let's check. 2 cube means 8. 2 into 2 into 2. What is 5 square? 5 into 5 is 25. So this is less than. Here also it is false. 2 cube is less than 5 square. But in the equation it is greater than 5 square. So it is also false. We are going to check this. This is 8 into 9. This is 6 power 5. 8 into 9 is 72. And this 72 is not equal to 6 power 5. Because 6 power 5 is the bigger number. 6 into 6 is 36. 36 into 6. See how many 6? 5, 6. So this must be the big number. This gives 136 and 36 into 6. Obviously, this is the bigger number than 72. So this is also false. Now, 3 power 0 is equal to 1000 power 0. Yeah, this is true because any number, any big number or small number, power 0 is always 1. Any positive number, power 0 is always 1. It is true. Fourth question, express each of the following as a product of prime factors only in exponential form. So, prime factor, simple prime factor only, 108 and 192. Separately, we need to do prime factorization. And we can combine these two prime factors and give the exponential form. So, this is 5 times and 4 times. So, 2, 2, 7. 3 can divide this, 9. 3 can divide this 3 times. Here 9 times and 6 times, right? 4 times, 8 times. 2 can divide this 2 times, 4 times. 12 times, 2 can divide this 6 times, 2 can divide this 3 times. So this is, if we multiply all these things, if we combine, how many 2's present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 2's in product means 2 power 8 into how many 3's? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 3's present. So 3 power 4. So this is the way to give these product numbers in exponential form. Just we need to find the prime factorization for both the numbers, and number of times the prime factors repeating is the exponent here. 270. How to do 270? 270 means 2 can divide this 1, 3, 5. 3 can divide this, right? How many times? 4, 5. Again 3 can divide this. 1, 5. 3, 5 times. So how to give this? 2 into only once 2 present. 3 times 3 present. So 3 power 3 into 5. Now 729. How to do this? 3 can divide this, right? 2, 4, 3. 3 can divide this. 8 times 1. 3, 27. Again 3 can divide 9 times. 3 can divide 3 times. 64 can be divided by 2 3 times, 2 times. 2, 1, 6. Again 2. 8 times. Again 2. 4 times. Again 2. Okay. Now we need to see how many 2's present here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. 6 times. So for this 64, 2 power 6. And for 729, how many 3's present? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3 power 6. This is the answer. Let us find the prime factorization for 768. 2. 2 can divide this. 3, 8, 4. 2. 1, 9, 2. Again 3. 96. Again 3 can divide this. 32. 2 can divide this. 1, 6. 2, 8 times. 2 can divide this 4 times. 2 can divide this 2 times. We are going to check how many 3's, how many 2's. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 2's, which is equal to 2 power 8 and only 1 3 present into 3. Simplify. Fifth question. First subdivision. Simplify means just a prime factorization power. Make every number as a prime factorization power. This 2 power of power. 2 power 5 into 2 is 2 power 10 into 7 cube. Divided by this 8 can be written as 2 cube. The whole cube. See, instead of 8 I am writing 2 cube. 8 can be written as 2 cube into 7. This is 2 power 10 into 7 cube divided by 2 power 9 into 7. See, in division, if the bases are equal, we can subtract the powers. So, 2 power 10 minus 9 into 7 power 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2 power 1 into 7 power 2. This is 2 into 7 square. Otherwise, 2 into 49, which is equal to 98 is the answer. Now, second subdivision. So, make everything in the form of 5, because 5 and t is the prime factors here. So, 5 square, 25 as 5 square into 5 square into t power 8 divided by this 10 can be written as 2 into 5 the whole cube into t power 4. This is in the product. If the bases are equal, we can add the powers. So 2 plus 2. I am adding the powers for this 5 alone, not for t. T is different. So 2 plus 2 into t power 8 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube into t power 4. See, these are all based upon the formula. This is equal to 5 power 4 into t power 8 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube into t power 4, which is equal to, if the bases are equal in the division, what we need to do? 5 power 4 minus 3, we can subtract the powers. Similarly, t power 8 minus 4 divided by 2 cube. This equals 5 into t power 4 divided by 8, which is equal to 5t power 4 by 8. It is the answer. Third subdivision, we are going to simplify this. 3 power 5 into 10 can be written as in the form of 2 into 5, right? It is a product. Into this 25 can be written as 5 square divided by 5 power 7 into 2 into 3 is 6. So we can give like this. This equals 3 power 5 into 2 power 5 into 5 power 5 into 5 square divided by 5 power 7 into 2 power 5 into 3 power 5. We can write like this. This equals 3 power 5 and 3 power 5 gets cancelled each other. Same number in the division. Also 2 power 5 and 2 power 5 gets cancelled each other. This is nothing but 5 power 5 plus 2 divided by 5 power 7. See, bases are equal in the product. That's why I am adding the powers. This is nothing but 5 power 7 by 5 power 7. Both are equal, so this is 1. So gets cancelled each other, answer is 1. So hope you are all understanding how to do the exponents using the exponents and powers formula. I'll see you in my next video. Exercise number 13.3, exponents and powers. Thank you.